Now we'll learn about mirror. So a mirror is a highly reflecting surface which forms the clear image of an object. You must be using mirror to look yourself, right? And mirror has got wide applications, right? So here a mirror is a highly reflecting surface which forms the clear image of an object, and the image is formed in the mirror only because of reflection of light. We'll study it later. And if I have to obtain a mirror, how will I obtain it? I will take a thin glass where the back side of the thin glass I will coat it either with a layer of aluminium or with a layer of silver. Remember, silver can reflect 95% of the incident light, whereas aluminium can reflect 90% of the incident light. So remember, a mirror is obtained by coating back side of a thin glass either with the layer of silver or aluminium, and to protect this coating we have to make another metallic coating over it, that is called as the lead oxide, right? So in a mirror, right, where the side where the coating is done, right, so this is the coating, and coating is represented by this symbol. Okay, so whenever if I draw any mirror and if I draw these lines, you can say coating has been done on this side. So the front surface, this surface will act as, come on tell me, it will act as reflecting surface, and this is coating. Okay, so a mirror is a highly reflecting surface which forms the clear image of an object by reflection of light, and it is made by coating one side of a thin glass either with the layer of aluminium or silver, and to protect the aluminium or silver layer we have to do another metallic coating of lead oxide. So if I talk about the type of mirror, so the type of mirror is based on the type of reflecting surface. So if I talk about type of mirror, so a mirror where the reflecting surface is a plane, so you can say this is the reflecting surface, this is a mirror and it has got a plane reflecting surface, right? Or the mirror where the reflecting surface is plane is called as a plane mirror. Okay, but the reflecting surface can be curve also, right? So the mirror where the reflecting surface is a curve is called as spherical mirror. So if I have got a curved surface like this or like this, so what I can do, by coating the outer layer, right, by coating the outer layer I can make inner layer as the reflecting surface, or by coating the inner layer we can make outer layer as the reflecting surface. So the behavior of both the mirror will be different. So spherical mirror is a mirror where the reflecting surface is a curve and both the surface can be used as a reflecting surface. So by coating the outer surface, if we make inner surface as reflecting, it is called as concave mirror, and by coating the inner surface, if outer surface is made reflecting, then it is called as convex mirror. So this is the classification of mirror. In the next section we will study about the reflection of light through the plane mirror and through the spherical mirror, that is through concave as well as convex mirror, right? And we will study the formation of images from this type of mirrors. Thank you.